relaxes me.
Oh, I love cooking.
It's quite therapeutic.
I particularly like chopping up stuff.
It's an easy pastime, innit? It's something you need to be able to do.
Love everything with food.
The thing that really lights me up about cooking is providing for other people.
I thoroughly enjoy cooking.
I love the idea of making a big spaghetti bolognese for my family.
Until a few years ago, I was the worst cook on the planet.
It's really nice to see people getting enjoyment and satisfaction through food.
It's very satisfying sometimes, the cooking.
I've always cooked. It's always been part of the family. We've always ate together.
If it turns out nicely, it makes me feel very happy.
Cooking is what joins us together, I think, as a family.
I love cooking. Sometimes just cooking every night is a bit, don't want to cook, but I generally love cooking. I love cooking. I've always liked cooking.
Cooking makes me feel really good because after having major surgery 3 years ago where I didn't eat, I'm back eating and cooking.
It makes you feel that you've produced something.
I really enjoy it. I like cooking for my family.
You've achieved something. You feel good, especially if you've made it yourself.
Yeah, it makes me feel very happy, I think. I'm relaxed as well.
I'm quite happy doing it. It makes me hungry and very willing to try new things. I learned with a friendly food, but I've been eating frozen meals. They're no good for me. I feel much better with cooking myself. Healthier and more enjoyable to eat.
I never ate food like in my life since I joined this club. It's magic cooking with a group. So meeting new people, just enjoying it generally.